just an absolutely beautiful tank. But it seems to be missing something, doesn't it? Oh yeah, fish. Let's go get some for it. Alright, so we got a few, but they're not a huge fan of us filming in their store. But so we got some of the little neon tetras. You can see the little purple glow guy in there. And then, here, I'll take that one. And then I got some blue glow long fins and some purple ones. And now we're gonna head over to my favorite fish store because they are holding a very special pleco for me. And no, you don't get to know what it is yet.
Hey.
Alright, we are back from our fish haul. And we have some purple and blue longfin tetras. We found those ones. And we have some of the little neon tetras and another little purple something. We have, let's see if the, can't see them too terribly clear right now, but those are a dark green tiger barb. And then I did not know these existed until today. They are the long fin, look at that, little neon tetras, I believe is what they're called. And then the star of the show, my gold nugget pleco, who's climbing out of the water. There you go. Absolutely beautiful little guy. So we got them all in the tank. Oh, there you go, look at that. Here, let's turn this off so the camera can pick it up. There we go. Look at him. Absolutely beautiful fish. So, it's gonna acclimate for a while, and then we will be back to release them into their new home. Alright, we are back, and they have acclimated. So we are going to start with, I think these were called the dark green tiger barb. I'm gonna open up our packaging here. So one thing, if you're new to fish keeping or any of that sort of thing, don't ever put the water from the bag into the tank. I've done it a few times and it's wiped out my whole tank. So you want to be very careful about not getting the water in the tank. Let's take a quick look at these little guys. Absolutely beautiful little guys. Here, let's turn this light off so the camera can pick it up better. Can you see it very good? Yeah. Does it look better with the light or without it? There you go. Yay, the first two. Look at him. He's so green. Perfect. Alright, what do we have next? Oh, these are a long fin, I believe they're neon tetras. Gotta struggle with the packaging some. Get our little net. Oh look, they're checking out the ice cave. Get him. Got the one. Beautiful little guy. Uh-oh. He juked us out. I thought he was dead. There you go. Those add so much color to them. So I also got just some of the regular neon tetras. And you can kind of see them in there. I don't know how well it focuses. They're littler and they don't have the long fins. Well, we got 2 in that one. Yep. There's some sirens going by and all the dogs are howling in the background. But these little guys are hard to get. Got one more. Come on, out you go. Got them both. So also in here is a purple glowfish. There he is. Make sure that's all of them out of here. Nope, that's not. He almost got sent to the netherworld. Come here. He's a little guy. Come on. Got him. Hi. Tiny little guy. There you go. Alright, now what is our next? Yes, the bag of color. So in here I have 3 long-finned blue glow tetras. And then I have 3 or 4. Well, I have 2 purple long fins and then another one of those little short fin ones. Not sure what they're. I don't think they're a type of tetra. I think they're a barb. We're gonna struggle with the rubber banding some. Oh my goodness. Alright, we got a blue long fin. Going in. Come on. There you go. Yes, I got 3 with this one. 2 purples and 1 blue. And in they go. That's looking good. Alright. We've got a blue and a purple left. And in they go as well. Come on. Out you go. There you go. Make sure that's all of them. Perfect. Did you go dump that in the sink? That one's too much for the bowl. Alright, for the star of the show. The gold nugget pleco. Such a beautiful little fish. Come on, buddy. Yep. There you go. Get a quick look at him. Oh, he's ready to go. Come on. Oh, he's gonna jump. Alrighty gang, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I definitely plan on buying more fish in the future. I just wanted to get a couple in here and circulating and don't want to crash the tank, so over time I'll slowly introduce more. But there are definitely some really cool tanks in the work. I'm currently starting to put in the planning process. So you're not going to want to miss that. So if you haven't already, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new and you haven't, then don't forget to subscribe because there's some cool ones coming your way. So you all have a good day and we'll see you in the next one.